Most Reaction TV. Happy Valentine's Day to those that celebrate and all that. But it's more than just that, man. It's the parade. This is the intro. I feel like, yo, bro, on everything I love, we got the best intro ever. We did, like, listen, man, rest in peace, DMX. Tell me if I'm bugging or not, yo. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes. I don't own the rights to this. This is CBS News. And that's my disclaimer. And it's for educational and entertainment purposes, man. You know, I don't own the rights to it. But listen, man, let's get to it, man. Subscribe, y'all. Listen to this shit.
Put your hands together and welcome the Hall of Fame voice for the last 48 seasons, the voice of the Philadelphia Eagles, Merrill Reese.
It is wonderful to look out at the best and most passionate fans in the NFL.
OG.
You are all of that.
OG went crazy. He didn't even know what he was doing. You hear me? Yo, he went crazy. Hold up.
I said on Sunday night, what a game. What a season. What a team. They are the greatest team in modern Eagles history. It is an honor to introduce the Super Bowl 59 champions, the Philadelphia Eagles. Come on.
See this shit? The fuck? Y'all don't do it like that. You hear me? Look at that. Look how we moving. That shit like some different shit. Smoking a gotta do it, set it, baby. Hey, what they really want?
Make some noise!
One season, one a team.
Man, subscribe, man. Stop playing with
your Super Bowl 60.
It is an honor to introduce the Super Bowl 59 champions, the Philadelphia Eagles.